All right.
3, 2, 1.
Woo, baby. Oh, look at that thing.
Yours.
Oh, we got some wild chickens.
Dad, I go free, go bathroom.
Huh?
I go for free, go bathroom.
We'll go to the bathroom in a minute.
I
We'll
go free.
get done showing them your little
I
IJ.
go for free.
It's on a TRX4 chassis.
I go free.
But
I go for free.
anyway, we're going to get everything powered up and get the ripping around. You guys can see a 7-year-old rip a IJ for the first time.
You go in. Play.
Yeah, you didn't even notice when I gave it to you at home.
Where you?
Look. Look down in there.
Is that what that actually is?
You see the red Kool-Aid and the dash? Right there?
Yeah.
Yeah, you spilled Kool-Aid in that thing, man.
What? No?
No, it's just there for looks. I just made it when I painted it. You like that? Is that kind of funny? Oh, yeah. All right, bring it back over here and let us get ours hooked up. Oh, you got it on 3 wheels already. What do you think for your first time? What do you think, Jeb?
Yeah.
Did we get a thumbs up or anything? 2 thumbs up? Just... All right.
Come on.
So what we got here is a TRX4 Bronco. Just has a light kitten, aftermarket goodies, but we're going to be putting the hobby wing 1800 Fusion SE 1800 in it next couple weeks. Right. We got different wheels and tires for it. Little high racks action. Of course, it's got the headlights and tail lights. Yeah,
You wait.
I see you.
You wait.
You want to race? All right, let's line them up. Where's the race? Oh, we're not going to go through the grass? How about we go over here and race on the dirt? What?
Because his hood's just sitting there going big.
Yeah, I'm going to have to find some new magnets.
Or instead of magnets, why don't you get latches like a real Jeep? Sell those mini
Yeah, but
latches.
I have the fake latches. All right, Bubba, you want to draw us the starting line? Get you a stick right here.
I'm going to do this lower.
Just go up here in the dirt here so we can get a starting line. You got your camera going? Hold on, Jeb. Bubba's going to draw a starting line.
What are we doing, JB?
We're going to race, man.
Yeah,
We gotta draw a starting line.
All right, the stick's the starting line. Get up to the stick. Jeb, stop. Line up. Jebby, you take the outside. Jebby, go over here to the outside. Over there. Nope, the other way. Go to the right. Go to the right. There's a whole half a street. Yep, go over there. There you go. All right.
3, 2, 1.
baby. Bronco left you in the dust.
You should have brought my other Bronco out of the all.
Oh, man, I about flipped her.
Oh, if she makes it back first. Oh, looks like I win.
You want to do it again?
Now this is a real challenge over here. Down.
All right, hold on.
3,
Count.
2, 1. Pound.
Oh, you didn't say go.
Pound.
Say go.
Pound.
It's all right. Let Bubba go.
Bubba.
Me and you a race.
3, 2, 1. Go!
Woo, baby. You didn't go all the way up the hill.
I won.
Oh, look, Debbie, that deer tracks. You see the deer tracks?
That's why I got the mud swingers.
You filming?
3, 2, pound.
Oh, I'm just gonna go down the hill.
Jeb's definitely gonna send that thing right.
Don't go in the water, Jeb. Stay on the dirt.
I'm right. I have to go back. Oh, there's a frog! I just ran a frog over.
Oh, poor. Oh, I see the ripples. Check him
Oh,
out.
look, he's right there.
Hey, to come back for more.
Hold on, hold on.
Zoom in. Check him out. Don't go in the water. Don't teach him. I don't want that IJ all screwed up first time.
I ran.
Well, we had a catastrophic failure. Somebody launched his battery out of his IJ. So, there we go. You gotta slow up on the whiskey throttle. Hey, you gotta slow up on the whiskey throttle, man. Right? No, don't go. It's soft. You don't have muck boots on. So how's that for a birthday present? You like that?
Yeah. That's his back, Dad.
Yeah. I just turned around. Jebby, let's walk on this edge or on this side so we don't. Look, follow me.
Wait, Papi.
Yeah, we're walking through here where we can stay on the dry because we didn't bring muck boots.
Yeah, you bothered me.
Pretty good deer come through here. See that? Should we race in the mud over here?
What are you sitting here doing? You eat that? Close your door, Jeb. Jeb, close your door.
Well, line them up. Close your door. There you go. Are your chickens holding on for dear life? Line them up. Let's get down here. Get down here. Me and Bubba are lined up. No, we got it. Okay, you got a stick for. Okay.
I need to put that bigger motor in there so it's fast.
Well, you drawing us the start line? Yeah. All right. Oh, I think you need a bigger stick. Could you find a bigger stick? Look. Oh, you're just going to compromise? Dang, show off. I got that on video too. Yeah.
Who's counting?
You going to be able to film one-handed?
3, 2,
All right.
1, go!
Shall we do some crawling?
All right.
Over there in the sticks?
Is there a hill? Yeah, I see a hill. Let's make our way over here. Jeb, take it easy. You got your doors closed? Yeah? Go over here, see if we can find a hill. Well, we got the driftwood forest. Jeb, easy. This is where you got to learn throttle control, Jebby. Nope, easy. You got to go over it easy. So that's...
Come on, what are you doing?
We done broke the hood off the IJ. So now we got... No, we're not doing fast. Fast got us a broken hood. So now we're doing 4 low for you. Put you in low gear, boy. You're too wild. Ah.
That's why it's a high trail and not a high hill. After I say that, some bull.
Well, this ain't even a high trail.
Yeah, it is.
No, it's not.
Why is it so called then?
Boop.
Debbie.
No, not here, not here.
Ah. Hey, there we go. Hey, ah.
I'm gonna do that.
Oh, nice save. I got it on video again. Yeah, easy on the throttle. You got to learn.
There you go.
Easy. Go this way. Jebby, work your way back to the left. There you go.
The hill of freedom.
You want to fix your door? Before we rip the door off?
Play my board.
There you go.
This is absolute hog right here. Oh, where are we at? It's actually pretty nice.
Yeah? Maybe find a morel or two.
Well, look across this. This is where they would be.
All right, enough with this hill. We're on to something else.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Holy moly. Hey!
Jeez. Oh my jeez.
Holy dang. Let's go get those.
More carnage, huh? Oh, is this a little deer? No.
Something like a campfire.
Is that a deer rub? No. Thought it would. So what's the matter? Don't steer?
Yeah.
Oh, it steers.
No, it don't. That's the whole body moving.
Oh, the sway bar's broken.
Yeah. For the axle.
The sway bar link. Okay.
It's not the link that's broken. It's the actual mount.
Don't grab it by the cage.
I broke.
Yeah. All right.
So I just moved the whole thing.
I'll have to print a new one. Well, let's start making our way back to the truck.
Why?
Because you broke this, and before it doesn't drive, we're going to ease back. We got a long way to go. Surprised we haven't found the shed.
I read it. All the water was through here, so whatever got dropped probably got moved.
Hold on. Let me help you out here. I gotta redo those battery straps.
Help me. Go out.
Jeb, stay on the level ground since you don't have a sway bar. Stay up here. Stay up here on the grassy part, okay? There you go.
Hey.
Follow Dad. Follow me. Take it nice and slow.
Hey. Drink the water.
No, you're not going in the water.
Not floating.
Yeah, sure about the
You're
boat.
in the water. Oh.
There you go. Follow Bubba.
We're floating.
Dun dun dun.
I'm gonna go back playing.
Well, we have to go home and fix it.
Oh, Bubba, right? Oh, Bubba, right?
So, after the carnage, speaking of the carnage, Mr. broke the hood on the first run,
And the sway bar.
and we broke the sway bar link. You're rough on stuff, man. Man. Yeah, what do you think with that? Should we make new parts and come back out? You think so?
Yeah.
Yeah. Was that fun?
I think.
Was that fun? No, come on. Smack my hand. Come on. What you got? Was that a pretty good birthday present?
Home with back people.
Look at the camera. Tell them, say, yeah, that's good, right?
We go home with back people.
No. What?
People.
Is that right?
People. Home with back people.
We did play with RC.
No. Back people.
All right, guys. Well,
Back people.
thanks for coming along for the ride. We'll catch you on the next one.